Want to improve your digital skills? Feeling behind or struggling to keep up? In today's digital world, learning new skills regularly helps you get better jobs and grow faster. With expert help and real practice, you can truly succeed. Just imagine, your learning today can change your future tomorrow. At digitalindialearning.com, India's top online computer education platform, you gain affordable mastery over essential tools like MS Office, Google Workspace, Tally, Canva, Power BI, and cutting-edge AI tools such as ChatGPT and Midjourney. Our courses are available in both Hindi and English, so students, job seekers, and entrepreneurs can learn easily and do better in their careers or business. Learn unlimited courses for just Indian rupee 499/month, no extra charges at all. Turn your challenges into success with practical training that helps you grow in your career or business. Grab this opportunity to learn new skills and grow. Thousands of people are already learning and getting ahead. Visit digitalindialearning.com now. Learn smart skills at a smart price.